Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily upload skins to your Minecraft Tlauncher. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
Before moving on with the video, only a small percent of the viewers are actually subscribed, so just consider subscribing. It's free and it will help me a lot. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and turn on post notifications. Let's move on with the video. So to upload a skin to your Minecraft Tlauncher, just open up your Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, something like that, and type Tlauncher. If you have Tlauncher Minecraft, you'll know that you have downloaded it from this website. So click on the first link, and there is the website. So once you open this website, you'll see sign up here. Click on the sign up button, and you have to put in this login section, you have to put your username, email here, email ID, and password, confirm your password, and then click on I am not a robot, I accept rules and terms, and sign up. So I've already signed up, so I need not do it again. So I'll click on login, and and remember your username. You're going to do something with that later. You can see download skins options here. Click on download skins. This is the skins of Minecraft over here. I'm going to select this skin, for example. Click on download, and there you go, it's downloading. So before that, create a folder. So I'm going to create a folder here, /new, and folder. So give this folder a name called which you can remember, Minecraft skins. So I just named the folder Minecraft skins. So now by default, that skin which you downloaded will be in the downloads folder. So you can just right click, cut it, and go to your Minecraft skins folder, and you can open this and paste it here. So you can see the Mr. Freeman something PNG is in this folder. So you have downloaded the skin. Now how to upload the skin? So to upload the skin, you can just go here, back at this website, and you can just go here and click upload skin. Now you're going to select the skin which you downloaded. So it is in my folder, and there you go, the Minecraft skins folder. So there you go, Minecraft skins. Now select this thing and click on open. Now you're going to see the preview of the skin. So there is the skin here, and now what you need to do, just go ahead and open Tlauncher and make sure that you can see here accounts. If it is not, you don't have an account, click on check account box, and now you can go ahead and click on configure accounts. Now you can register here, and make sure to put the username what you registered in this website. So just put the password, and it will create this account. So this is my account, and you can see that this username matches this username, this website's username. So this is it, and once you have that, you can do that. And if you want to create another account, you can put add here and do the same thing. So I don't want a new account, so I'm just deleting it. Once you've done that, you can go ahead. Sorry, just to add up, make sure that there is this little tier logo before the versions. Until and unless there is no tier logo, the skins won't work. Enter the game. So it's going to, load Minecraft, and I'll be back in a second. So I've just loaded Minecraft. I'll go ahead and click single player and take any world.
So this was the video on how you can upload this skin and basically any skin from any website to Minecraft Tlauncher. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and smash that like button. Leave a comment down below on what I should upload next. Bye.